You need to ask better questions. What kind of riding are you planning on doing has really seen its day. In this video, I'll give you provocative questions garnering better intel and setting you apart from everybody else.
Mark Rodgers for Dealernews magazine. Sales success in 60 seconds or less.
Here are some provocative questions. Want to see something cool? Never had anybody say no to that. Would you like me to tell you something about this motorcycle? Here are some more. If you were a motorcycle engineer, what is the one feature you would design into every bike? Here's another. Imagine you've got the entire day to do nothing but ride. It's you and a couple of friends. Where would you go? What would you do? When you think about riding a motorcycle, what are the first two things that come to mind? What was the first bike you ever rode? If you could wave a magic wand over your current motorcycle, what's the one thing you would change about it? If there was a motorcycle Mount Rushmore, what four would be on yours? Questions create conversations. Conversations create relationships. And relationships create customers for life. Now, go sell something, will you?